In this video, we'll show you how to create this beautiful 4-strand braid with a side fishtail. Welcome to Hairstyle Camp! For this style, take a wide section from the top front next to the part and divide it into 4 even strands. Take the right outer strand, cross it over the next strand, and then under the 3rd strand. Next, take the left outer strand, cross it under the next strand, and then over the 3rd strand. Repeat the same movement once more on the right side. From this point on, whenever you cross an outer strand, add a small section of hair from that side first. So when crossing the left outer strand, add hair to it from the left side first, then cross it under the next strand and over the 3rd strand. When crossing the right outer strand, add hair to it from the right side, then cross it over the next strand and under the 3rd strand. As you add hair from each side, leave a few small pieces out around the face for a soft finish. Continue in the same pattern until the braid reaches just below the ear. Then secure the end with a small elastic band. Now gently pull the edges of the braid to make it look fuller. Then tuck in a bobby pin to hold the braid in place. Bring the rest of the hair and combine it with the loose bottom section of the braid. Then divide the hair into 2 equal parts to start the fishtail braid. To create the fishtail, take a small section from the outer edge of the right part and bring it over to the inner edge of the left part. Then take a small section from the outer edge of the left part and bring it over to the inner edge of the right part. Continue this pattern all the way down. Once you reach the end, gently loosen the fishtail braid to make it look fuller, and secure the braid with an elastic. Bring the braid over to one side to complete the style. And that's how you create this beautiful 4-strand braid with a side fishtail. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.